Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jackson. We're looking at problem or item number 5 for our math homework for Monday, October 22nd, 2012. If you look at number 5, there is a word problem. It says Kristen had $7. She spent $2.50 on cotton candy and $1 on a large soda at the Perry Fair. And they have two questions for you. How much money did she spend and how much money did she have left? So this is what we call a multi-step problem. Multi-step. Remember, multi looks a lot like multiply, and that's when you have how many times, right? So multi-step means you're going to have more than one step, okay? So we start with the amount she has, which was $7. And we know she went and spent $2.50 on cotton candy. So what we need to show is $7 using a decimal to hold our tenths and hundredths place so that we can spend $2.50. Remember, you don't say and unless you see a decimal. And now that we have the zeros holding the place values, we can subtract $2.50 from $7. Why are we subtracting? Because she had $7 to begin with, and she went and spent $2.50 on cotton candy. So she would have to take $2.50 away from her pocket to pay for the cotton candy. After she does that, how much money would she have left? Well, we'll start with the smallest place value, which is the this is the hundredths place, not the ones place. Okay? And this is the tenths place, and this is the ones place. The decimal is always behind the ones place. Alright. So 0 hundredths minus 0 hundredths is 0 hundredths. Now you can't take 5 tenths away from 0 tenths because 5 is too large. So we would need to borrow from the ones place. We have 7 ones. If we borrow one of them, we will have 6 ones left. And one of these ones is the same as 10 of those tenths. As a matter of fact, that's why we say tenths, because we've taken one and we've broken it into 10 equal parts. So add those 10 tenths to these 0 tenths and you'll get a total of 10 tenths. 10 tenths minus 5 tenths equals 5 tenths. We'll use our decimal. Always line your decimals up. And 6 ones minus 2 ones equals 4 ones. If they put a dollar sign, you put a dollar sign. Now that she's bought the cotton candy, she also spent $1 on a large soda. How much did the soda cost? $1. But since we have decimal numbers, we need to have place value holders, which is our zeros. So we'll subtract $1 more from the amount of money she had in her pocket after buying the cotton candy. She had $4.50 left, then she went and bought a soda for $1. Perry Fair is expensive. Alright, so start with the smallest place value, which is the hundredths place. 0 hundredths, 5 tenths, line your decimals up, 3 ones, dollar sign. Okay? So, how much money did she have left is $3.50. But they also asked how much money did she spend. Well, that's pretty easy to figure out. All you would do is ask yourself how much money did she spend first? $2.50. And she bought what with that? Cotton candy. She also bought a soda. And how much did that soda cost? $1. So you can add these up. Start with the smallest place value, the hundredths place. 0 hundredths, 5 tenths, line your decimals up, 3 ones, dollar sign. So how much money did she spend? She spent $3.50. How much money did she have left? She had $3.50 left. Now you could check that and add $3.50 plus $3.50, and you'd get $7. Another important thing you could have done was you could have found out how much money she spent in all first, and then you could have subtracted that amount from $7. Zero hundredths. You can't take 5/10 from 0/10, so you borrow one of your ones. You have 6 ones left. Turn it into 10/10 and add it to 0/10. You have 10/10 here. 5/10. Line your decimals up. 3 ones, $. So there are 2 ways you could have found out how much money she had left. You could have taken it one item at a time, or you could have found out how many things she bought and found that total and subtracted it. The more we practice, the better we will get. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me at ClassJump. Thank you.